Well, we do have a link over here, and what I want to do is I want to get the value of this test. The question is, how can I do that in JavaScript? Well, that is very easy. We do have a web API of our URL, web API, which is called as URL, and using that URL web API, you can be able to get or do anything with the URL. Let me show you. So let's create a URL constructor method. URL equal to new URL, and inside this URL constructor method we will pass our link like this. Now if I come over here and write console.log URL, then you will notice that we are getting an object with several properties like href, origin, protocol, host name. We are also getting our query string, right? And we are also getting our search params. So for example, what I want to do is I want to get the value of this test. How can I do that? Well, for that you can do something like this: dot search param dot get, and in this get you will pass the key or ID of the search param, which is in our case is this. So as you can see that we are getting 111231231, and if I come over here and write ID equal to some ID, and I will come over here and replace it with ID, then as you can see that I'm getting some ID. So this is how you can fetch any of the your search param inside your URL. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.